Hello everyone, welcome back to my new English lesson, English with Singh. So today we are really gonna learn that how to understand the natives and how to speak like them. Okay, so if you haven't seen my first video about on this topic, how to sound more American, so you can go and find that in the description below, so you will be more clarified about the American slang. Okay, so this is the second part. Here I'll tell you how to use the connected speech. Okay, so let's start with our very basic sentence, the normal one, which is that what do you? Okay, example, what do you do? Okay, Americans would never say what do you do, they say what do you do. Okay, they connected these all the words what do you do, and they just speak that in a really fast speed. Okay, so this will not be what do you do. You don't have to put a stress on the all words, you just have to connect these alls, and you have to say what do you do. Okay, what do you do? You can also see the spelling of that, like how we connected this, so it will be what do you do. Okay, so actually in this here we don't we don't speak fast. Actually we just connect this all, so we look like as we are speaking fast, but we don't actually. Okay, so we just connected this. So for this you also have to learn the connected speech, nothing at all, so then you can also speak like an American. Okay, so now second one, our second one is that I am going to, example, I'm going to do some purchasing. Okay, here we will use the informal contraction gonna. Okay, American says I'm gonna do shopping. Okay, they don't say I am going to do shopping. Okay, so am I gonna do some shopping, this is fine, but on a daily basis American don't say also this, they just say gonna do shopping or am I gonna do some shopping. Okay, so you can also use this gonna do shopping. Okay, if you really want to speak fast like as the natives, then you can use this also gonna do shopping, this is fine. Now listen guys, actually we don't speak fast, we just connect our all the words, so we look like as we are speaking fast, but we don't do that. Okay, so our next one is that the sounds like as a the, so Americans don't say what the meaning of this, they say what's the. Okay, so you have to say the, not the. Okay, it will be what's the meaning of this, what's the meaning of this. So next one is that you mostly sounds like as a yeah. Okay, we don't say do you want to go, we say do you wanna go. Okay, do ya wanna go. Okay, want to, wanna, so do you wanna go. Okay, don't say do you want to do. If you speak like this you look like as a beginner. Okay, don't use that, you have to say do you wanna go. Okay, so our next is that how to create a sound. If you find a T in the end of a word and then a next word is starting from a D, here we create a ch sound. For example, what do you do. Okay, same like as that. So here we will learn that how to create a new sound in this. Okay, so if a word is ending with a T and next word is starting with a D, like what is ending with a T and do is starting with a D, so here we create a ch sound. So we don't say what do you do, we say what ch do you do. Okay, what ch do you do, what do you do. We don't say what do you do, we don't pronounce T actually, so in the between, in the on the place of T we pronounce a D sound. It will be what do you do, what do you do, what. Okay, what do you do. Okay, next is that I have already told in my previous video that like ing sounds like as a just only in, we don't speak g, it's often gets removed. So for example, like I want to buy something. Okay, we don't say this, we say I wanna buy something. Okay, don't pronounce g, just say something. Okay, I want to buy something, I wanna buy something. Okay, next one is that let me give you something. Okay, don't say something again. Here we will use let me give you something, let me give you something. Okay, don't let me give you something. Use the informal contractions and remove the G in the end of the word. Just it's IN, so it will be let me give you something, not let me give you something. Okay, and again I have also described this thing in my previous video, that how we convert T as a D if it comes between two vowels. So first one is that bottle. Don't say bottle, we say bottle. Okay, water as a water. Okay, next is butter as a butter, 80 as a 80, 40 as a 40. Okay, computer as a computer, daughter as a daughter, saddle as a saddle, city as a city. Now see, T converts into the D, as you noticed it. Even it is unnatural for me to say bottle, 80 and saddle. Okay, I don't say like this. Okay, because actually I'm really used to inserting a D instead of T, so it will be also automatically to you if you will do practice again and again for this. So this is just only the way that the native speaks fast. There's a note that they naturally speak fast. Actually, if you also do this, follow these all the criteria, you will learn connected speech and everything, then you can also speak like as them. Okay, so this is for today. I hope that you understand very well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comments below, or you can message me on my Instagram. So thanks for watching my video. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye for now. See ya.